Vipin, spell this debtor. Nancy, DEBTOR. Vipin, the alphabet B is silent. It is pronounced as debt. A debtor is maybe a person, company, firm, etc., who owes money to our business. Nancy means, Vipin, suppose you have a business and sell the chocolates for 10,000 to Kamlesh. You will receive the payment from Kamlesh in cash or by check. Nancy, okay. Vipin, now you have sold all the chocolates on credit to Kamlesh, which means you haven't received any payment. So, Kamlesh is a debtor in your business accounts. Nancy, exercise, please.